Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to start exercise 1.1. Once again, welcome to the educational planet. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we are going to start exercise 1.1 of 9th class matrices and determinants. Question 1 is what? Find the order of matrices. So let's start. Here we have two matrices A and B, and in the previous lecture we know what is order. So order of matrix is what? Number of rows and number of columns. If we denote number of rows by m and number of columns by n, then order is defined as m by n. So here in this matrix we have 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of matrix is what? 2 by 2. Second matrix is what? Second matrix is B matrix. In this matrix we have again 2 rows and 2 columns. So the order of matrix is what? 2 by 2. Next part is D matrix. D matrix is equal to 4, 0, 6. In this matrix we have only one column, and in this D matrix we have 3 rows and 1 column. So the order of matrix is 3 by 1. In E matrix we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So the order of matrix is what? 3 by 2. In F part we have a matrix. In this matrix one row and one column, so order of matrix is 1 by 1. In G part we have 3 rows and 3 columns, so the order of matrix is 3 by 3. In H part we have 2 rows and 3 columns, so the order of matrix is 2 by 3. The second question of our exercise is we have to find the equal matrices. From this list we have to find which matrices are equal. So as we know the definition of equal matrices. Equal matrices are those matrices which have same entries or equal entries on the same places. As we can see, E and H matrix. E and H matrix have same entries on same places. E matrix have 4 on the first row and first column, and 0 on the second column and first row, and also the same entries are in H. So E is equal to H. Now we can see F and G are equal because G is what? 3 minus 1 is 2 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So F is equal to G. In this way we can find equal matrices. The third question of the exercise is find values of A, B, C and D. There are given two equal matrices. In equal matrices, corresponding entries are equal by the definition. So we have to find the values of A, B, C and D. Corresponding entries are equal. It means that this entry is equal to this one, this entry is equal to this one, and this entry is equal to this one. Also this entry is equal to this one. So we have to write A plus C is equal to 0. A plus 2B is equal to -7. C minus 1 is equal to 3. And 4D plus 6 is equal to 2D. We have to solve these equations. First we solve this one because it has one variable. So C minus 1 is equal to 3. C is equal to 3 plus 1 and C is equal to 4. Next we have to solve this one. A प्लस C की वैल्यू हमारे पास 4 है. A is equal to -4. We got two values. Now we have to solve this one. A plus 2B is equal to -7 plus 4 and 2B is equal to -3 by the rules of algebra, and B is equal to -3 by 2. The last equation we have to solve is 4D plus 6 is equal to 2D. 4D minus 2D is equal to -6. So here we get 2D is equal to -6 and D is equal to -6 by 2, which is equal to -3. So we got all the values. Here A is equal to -4, B is equal to -3 by 2 and C is equal to 4. D is equal to -3. Now we can put these values in these matrices and can check either these matrices are equal or not. Thanks for watching and keep subscribing my channel for latest updates. Press the bell icon and like the video.